Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Fiesta tire. First, ensure your safety and the safety of others. Park your car on a firm, level surface, well away from any moving traffic. Engage the parking brake completely and switch on your hazard lights. Gather your essential tools, the spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench, usually found in the boot. For added stability, place wheel chocks behind the wheel that is diagonally opposite to the flat one. Now, let's get those lug nuts started. Using your lug wrench, turn each lug nut counterclockwise by about 1/2 turn. They should be loose but not removed. Next, carefully position the jack under the designated jacking point, which is usually a reinforced area near the flat tire. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. Always double-check that the car is stable on the jack before continuing. With the car safely elevated, you can now fully remove the lug nuts by hand. Once all nuts are off, carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the hub. Push the spare tire firmly onto the studs. Then, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the spare tire until they are snug against the wheel. Almost there. Slowly lower your Ford Fiesta using the jack until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure. Once they are all tight, lower the vehicle completely and remove the jack. Don't forget to check the spare tire's pressure and drive directly to a service station to have it professionally checked and the flat tire repaired or replaced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.